Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sketch a Porsche 911. First, let's establish the fundamental proportions. Start with a long, low rectangle as your base, representing the car's main body. Next, mark out the wheelbase, which is approximately 2/3 of the overall length. Then, gently sketch the distinctive sloping roofline, beginning from the front windshield. Finally, outline the large, round headlights and the wide, powerful rear fenders. Now, let's define that unmistakable 911 silhouette. Carefully refine the roofline, ensuring a smooth, continuous curve that flows elegantly from the front to the rear. Emphasize the prominent, muscular flares of both the front and rear fenders, giving the car its powerful stance. Draw the distinctive circular headlights, making sure they appear slightly recessed into the bodywork. Finally, connect the roof to the rear with that characteristic fastback design. It's time to add those essential details that bring your sketch to life. Carefully sketch the side windows, making sure they follow the elegant curve of the roofline. Next, draw the wheels, ensuring they are large enough to fill the fender arches convincingly. Add the subtle door lines and the characteristic air intakes often found on the sides. Don't forget the distinctive rear taillight bar and the dual exhaust pipes, typically positioned centrally. For the final touches, let's add some shading to give your 911 depth. Apply light, even shading to define the car's curved surfaces and panels. Use darker tones for shadows, especially under the car and within recessed areas like wheel wells. Add subtle reflections to the windows and bodywork to enhance realism. Finally, carefully clean up any remaining construction lines to present a polished and professional final sketch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.